Despite all the advances and complicated firewalls in place, no technology is unhackable, and time and again, users, companies, and developers are disconcerted from their delusions. No matter how promising a technology looks, it is only a matter of time before someone slips past the security. However, officials and scientists in the US have begun laying the groundwork for a more secure, virtually unhackable internet based on quantum computing technology. So what exactly is this? Well, welcome to TV9 News. I'm your host Ashish Parekh, and in this video we'll be talking about quantum computing, quantum technology, teleportation, and also virtually unhackable internet. Scientists have demonstrated long-distance quantum teleportation, the instant transfer of units of quantum information known as qubits, for the first time ever. So what exactly is quantum teleportation? Well, teleportation, of course, like we all know, is a stuff of science fiction. We may not be able to teleport objects or people from place to place in an instant, but you might be surprised to know that there are scenarios where teleportation can actually be achieved, and not is it only possible, it is being done in labs across the world. In the latest experiment, researchers from Caltech, NASA, and Fermilab, which is the Fermi National Accelerator Laboratory, built a unique system between two laboratories which are separated by 44 kilometers. Now, this system comprises of three nodes which interact with each other to trigger a sequence of qubits which can pass signal from one place to another instantly. The findings of this particular research have been published in the PRX Quantum as well. Now, qubits are basically transferred faster than the speed of light over a distance of 44 miles, in this particular research, and this has laid the foundation for a quantum internet service which could one day revolutionize computing. Quantum communication. Well, quantum communication systems are faster and more secure than your regular networks because they use photons rather than computer code, which can be easily hacked. But their development relies on cutting-edge scientific theory, which transforms our understanding of how computers work. As far as quantum internet is concerned, information is stored in qubits, which is pretty much the quantum equivalent of our computer bits. And this qubit is shuttled or teleported over long distances through entanglement. Now, entanglement, basically, quantum entanglement is a phenomenon whereby two particles are linked in such a way that information shared with one is also shared with the other at exactly the same time. However, this is highly sensitive to environmental interference, and that can easily disrupt the quality or fidelity of teleportation. So, this particular thing is wonderful in theory, but in practice it has been very challenging. Of course, teleporting large objects or people is something that is not going to happen anytime soon. Sorry to break your myths, but keeping particles entangled for a long period of time over long distances or along objects larger than a few atoms is way beyond what current technology is capable of. However, this experiment has been performed multiple times with small particles, and scientists have managed successfully to teleport various electrons, photons, and even molecules dozens of miles. So in case there is a technological development advancement that happens, then there could be a possibility of teleporting larger objects from one place to another. Who knows? One day you might be teleported from here to Mars if the technology is made available. Well, sounds like a science fiction or sounds like a fantasy movie. Well, it isn't. It is very much possible because right now teleportation of small particles is happening, is successful, but converting that into larger particles is the difficult part, which one day hopefully is done and will be done successfully as well. So do let us know what you think of this teleportation as far as quantum physics is concerned, and also this new way of providing internet. Do let us know in the comment section below, and also do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to TV9 Digital. Thanks a lot for watching.